Hi. Welcome back to Math with Miss Flora. Keep track. How many now? This is probably our last one today. And then we'll see what happens next week. So, patterns. Now I know you've seen in and out boxes before. You've also seen other number patterns, but we're going to focus on in and out boxes, function boxes, but we still call them in and out. So there's a couple of things. The biggest thing that you need to focus on is from in to out. So if my in and out box goes up and down, we're going side to side. Do not look at the patterns up and down, okay? Look at the pattern from side to side. If our in and out box goes side to side, then we're looking up and down. But these are typical normal ones that you'll see, so only focus on the pattern from side to side. Otherwise, they're going to trip you up. So, what I can see from in to out, if a 2 goes in and a 6 comes out, well, my number has gone up. So, typically, not always, that means I'm either adding or I'm multiplying. And so, whatever rule we choose has to work more than once. So, don't just say, oh, the first one works and then that's it. So, what we could have here is plus 4 or times 3. So, now I need to figure out which one works on the next one down, from side to side. So get 3 to 9, obviously plus 4 is out, that means it must be times 3, so my rule is times 3. If you do it this way, just take a minute to actually lay it out and make sure it makes sense, then it'll be so much easier for you. So 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. That's how I can finish out my chart. Now the other one, starting with 56, and I'm going to 7. And so that means I'm going down, which usually means that I am subtracting or dividing. So I can subtract 49. So either minus 49. Is that right? I think it is. Either minus 49 or divided by, here's where your reflex skills come in, 56 divided by 8 would be 7. So now I need to figure out, well, which one of those works in the second one. Remember, side to side, in to out. So 48, so if I do 48 minus 49, I'm going to have negative 1, and that's not what I have here. So again, it is not that. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. Yes, so it works again. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then skirt, I'm missing the first part. So what I know about fact families and inverse relationships is that I can just take whatever this was and use the opposite, which would be times 8, and go the other direction. So if I was using division this way, then that means this way is multiplication with the same number. So this would be something divided by 8 is 1, or 1 times 8 is 8. And if you look at it, it works the same way, right? So if I use the inverse, 7 times 8 is 56, and 6 times 8 is 48, and I can use multiplication this way and division that way, and it still works. Same over here, right? If I was doing times 3 in this direction, that means I should be able to do divided by 3 in the opposite direction, and it'll still give me the right answer, right? So all of these divided by 3 equal those. So it's knowing the rules of numbers and how they work and fact families, and thinking, am I going up or down? And always, always going from in to out and not up and down. All right, see you next time on Math with Miss Flora.